So in this PayPal tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to change your username here on PayPal. So once PayPal's opened up on the home screen here, just go to the top right and press on the profile icon. And once you guys are here, I just want you to go ahead and press on your profile picture or the little, I guess, pencil right here. It'll then bring you to this page right here, so your personal profile and where it says your username right here. You can go ahead and change that, and if all looks good, go to the bottom, press on save, and then your username, of course, will be updated. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to change your username on PayPal. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.